Good morning, everybody, and this is the Euro USD setups for today. So the chaos continues. It is just big up, big down, big up, big down, and really not something that I like trading, bottom line. So if you just take that level that we bounced off there, take that level that we bounced off there, that is the range that is forming. The only thing that's constant is we're staying below the 150 EMA, but the range that we're swinging, I mean, this is absolutely insane. So you can see here, this week has been down, down, up, down, up, down. Then yesterday, big up, big down, big confusion. Trend is down, that is the only constant, but we're definitely not getting below 107955 at the moment. So, if we start drilling down and have a look at yesterday's price action, massive up, break through all the moving averages, come back looking like we're going to test them, and then plummet below it again. So I'm sitting on the sides with this forex pair. I really do not see any chance of getting in on this when it's doing this. We have a 50-50 chance at the moment. So in other words, you might as well just toss a coin and pick the direction. So tails it's short, heads it's long, basically. There's no other way that you're going to get any structure in here. It's just impossible to get moving, and this is just purely based on the Feds. So the Feds have come out and said that interest rates are going to stay where they are for a while longer than what everybody's expecting, and this is what you get as a result. So markets are forward thinking, and that's just the one thing you need to keep in your mind. So when the confusion is as clear as this, and that is confusion for 3 weeks now, you need to ask yourself whether you want to participate in that and risk capital, or are you looking for a decent trend like this, which is clear cut and can make you some decent money for as long as you stay on the right side of the trend. Whereas here you have no clue what the right side is. It's actually longer than 3 weeks. It's actually 5 weeks, because you've got this section of chaos here as well. So definitely definitely looks like dollar strength is brewing, but people are not convinced. People are not convinced, and that's the bottom line. So anyway, I am not even going to give you levels. I'm not even going to give you any structure, because I don't believe that you want to get yourself involved in this right now. And anyway, I'm not going to. I'm just going to close this chart. If you are looking for a half decent trading opportunity, the S&P 500 does look like there's some decent shorts, and the DAX is also looking fairly interesting for a little bit of a move to the downside. So there's some quick scalps to be made there for the first day of February. But for me, this is a no-go. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.